Soon you'll be ready to shoot soon, I'll let you know.
6 seconds.
There's only one job.
3, 2, 1, go!
Where the sky is your canvas. The world is your playground. And gunpowder turns your night into day.
I get to blow stuff up for fun.
I love when my guys get excited.
Yeah!
You need a little bit of craziness.
There's a team of fireworks hotshots known as GFA Pyro.
I want to go out there and be in that danger zone and feel the shockwave of the shells going off.
I love my job.
An upstart company determined to make it to the top.
We claim to be among the best in the world, and we want to show it.
I need more shell now. Let's go.
GFA is going international. But it's a competitive world. They'll have to earn their victories, one explosion at a time.